Hi everybody, we're starting week 11. There's only 2 weeks left, so week 11 and week 12 are dedicated to ethical heroes. For week 11 it's Eastern, and for week 12 it's Western. And so you'll see there's 13A and 13B because there's a choice. I used to always offer simply Gandhi and Einstein, but I decided to add the Dalai Lama as an alternative for you, and a lot of students choose that one. And then for this one particular semester, and I've never done this before, is add Martin Luther King Jr. because I think he's very relevant here for an optional Western ethical hero. And then why we even cover ethical heroes in an ethics class. Okay, I make a case. Here we go. Let's open that up. That in the beginning of the semester, you watch for Lesson Plan 1, the film by Barry Schwartz, arguing that we need ethical heroes as our inspiration. So he makes that case in that TED Talk, if you remember from the first week of the semester. And so with that understanding, we conclude the course with that. So here we have ethical heroes optional for, not two optional for you. One is Gandhi and one is the Dalai Lama. And if we go into here, it starts off the beginning of the Gandhi for the Gandhi reading, and also for the Dalai Lama reading, it starts off with an article. And the article is why heroes are important, why ethical heroes are important for an ethics course. Heroism, why heroes are important. And this is a one, maybe 2 page at the most article arguing for the value of studying ethical heroes. So that's required to read. Okay. So let's go back here, click out of that. And then you have the actual Gandhi reading, and to open that up, you just click on the picture. And this is his autobiography. It's called Gandhi's Experiments with Truth. I read it in graduate school at UC Santa Barbara. It's a 500-page book. This is not the entire book. This is an excerpt of it, and I'm actually asking you to read just part of the excerpt, not the entire thing. So if you open it up real quick. Okay, and I was saying to read about 2 hours, which would be about 70 pages. Let's see how long it goes. Let's see if I can scroll down. Wait, let's go up to the table of contents. That would be much easier. And you see the pages are very, very little here. So it goes to page 141. So you're reading half of this. So you're reading not the 500-page book, not the entire 141 excerpt, but you're reading half of that excerpt. And so it's about a 2-hour read at the most, 1.5 to 2 hours. And if you read that long and you get, just let me know how many pages you accomplish, but I'm looking for about 70 pages there. And it's going into the mind of Gandhi, going into his thinking and his ethical struggles and his challenges that he faces. Okay, so that's required reading. The film is a film on Gandhi. It's a 25 to 30 minutes to watch. And then the post question. Okay, there we go. And then the exam question. Okay, it's pretty simple, straightforward there. And so that is 13A. And then if you were to look at 13B on the Dalai Lama, okay, the Dalai Lama required reading. There we go. It starts off again, the same article, Heroism, Why Heroes Are Important. And then this looks confusing, but it should be pretty simple. I tried to match it to the length of the Gandhi reading in terms of time, so it should be no more than 2 hours, 1.5 to 2 hours. And you just click on these links, compassion, and you just read the one page he has on compassion. Sometimes I say one page, and it's a little longer than that. Okay, but you read his argument. This is written by him. This is the Dalai Lama's actual writings. So are the Gandhi's writings his actual writings. And he's referred to as the 14th Dalai Lama because in Tibetan history, he's recognized as the 14th spiritual leader. And then you have the environment, and you have 20 articles here, and you do not read all 20 articles. You choose your favorite 5, and again, any 5 you'd like. Religious harmony, you read that one article. And then this world peace, there's 9 articles, you read 3. So altogether you're reading 5, 8, 9, 10. So 10 articles, but the articles, again, some of them are quite short. Let's see what the religious harmony one is. Okay, that's very short. See, it ends right there, and there it goes to the top. So that would be a very quick 10-minute read there. Okay, so the Dalai Lama should take you no more than 1.5 to 2 hours. And for film watching, here's the Dalai Lama. And it's 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and 6 minutes, so it's 25 minutes. And that's why I had you watch Gandhi for 25 minutes. I tried to make sure the 2 lesson plans were exact matches, so you have to choose between the 25 for the Dalai Lama or the 25 for the Gandhi. Okay, and moving out of that here, we have the post question on it, okay, and the exam question. And so there we go. And those 2 lesson plans are very comparable. And then you have the choice. Or you can always do 2 for extra credit if time allowed. Okay, thank you very much. And we'll head to the last lesson plan for next week. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.